beside your body. Okay, so this is a resistance band row. See how controlled I am? So squeezing your chest. So if you want to make this easier, you would move back closer to the tree, so less resistance to your leg. Okay, so step back lunge, holding the bands up nice and tall. You've got only one handle, one band, and it makes it a little bit easier until you get that core nice and strong and you're able to do it. A little bit, put 2 feet on it, keep your elbows in front of you, and curling up, just like so. Curling up, and just doing a squat like so. So this is like having the bar on your back. So this is your band. So you just hold this plank, it's a 30-second plank, just like so. Or you can make it from your toes. Just tuck your toes up under.